Captain!
Want to use the new Luma AI Dream Machine? We will show you how to do that. If you found the tutorial useful, then subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. First, search for Luma AI Dream Machine and click the first link, which should lead you to this page. Now, to start using the Dream Machine, click Try Now in the top right corner or scroll down a little and click the large Try Now button. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and do that. Once you've signed in, you should be on the main page of the Dream Machine. To use it effectively, I suggest using a longer prompt for better results, as shorter prompts may sometimes cause errors or fail to generate a video. For optimal performance, I suggest uploading an image and using a good prompt, or simply just use a good and decently long prompt. This helps the AI better understand the context and start your video correctly. In my experience, using only an image or only a short prompt often results in errors, as you can see here. For the best results, use both a custom image and a well-thought-out prompt. You can also use the suggested prompts provided by Luma AI, located right below the prompt box. And the video that you get using their suggested ideas is pretty decent, as you can see here. And keep in mind, once you've created a video, you cannot delete it. You would need to create a new account to delete all your videos. And that's how you can use the Luma AI Dream Machine. Make sure to subscribe.